Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Plagio. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix if your laptop or PC is crashing or it's slowing down or it's freezing. So there is one setting which we will change and your problem will be solved hopefully. So first of all, go to your settings and after coming to settings click on system, and after coming to system go for power and sleep option, and then here click on additional power settings. After coming here you need to go to choose what the power buttons do, click on it, and now here is the option change settings that are currently unavailable, click on it. And here as you can see in shutdown settings, turn on fast startup is enabled, but and this feature helps you start your PC faster after shutdown. So yes, it will help you if you shut down your computer, then start it again. It will your computer will be fast to its boot up speed will be fast, but there will be some temporary files which will not be removed, or in simple words your computer won't be shutting down properly. So to avoid that you need to unclick this or enable this and click on save changes. And after choosing this option, after disabling fast startup, your computer will shut down properly and it will start up properly. And this will take a little bit longer than usual. I mean, if let's say if your system was taking 30 seconds, now it will take 1 minute to start. But after that your PC won't be freezing, your PC won't be crashing or slowing down. And that's all guys. If you want to know more about how you can make your PC faster, then check the description for another video. See you guys in next video. Goodbye.